Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login Giants. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Personal Hotspot not working on iPhone in iOS 16. Firstly, make sure you have turned off airplane mode in your iPhone and your cellular data is working. Now let's jump straight into the process. The first method is you can just restart your iPhone. For that, tap on Virtual Home button, go to the option Device, tap on More. Over here, you can find this option of restart, tap on it and it will start restarting your phone. This will reface the system. Now the second method is you can just reset network settings. For that, open your settings, go to this option General, scroll down to the bottom. You can see this option of transfer or reset iPhone, tap on it, tap on reset. Over here, you can find this option of reset network settings, tap on it. Now the third option is you have to update your iOS system. For that, open your settings again and then go to this option General. At the top, you can see this option of software update, open it. And you can just update your phone to the latest version. In this way, you can easily fix the problem of Personal Hotspot not working on iPhone in iOS 16. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.